Instruction Tutorial 4. Propeller blade installation. Propeller blades are divided into black capped and white capped, to each. 1. Installing the propeller blades. Note: install the white capped propeller blades on the unmarked motor. Grasp the motor base and screw the propeller blade clockwise. Ensure that the propeller blade is tightened. Rotate the latch on the propeller blade. Make sure the latch is securely locked in place. Note: install the black capped propeller blades on the marked motor. Grasp the motor base and screw the propeller blade counterclockwise. Ensure that the propeller blade is tightened. Rotate the latch on the propeller blade. Make sure the latch is securely locked in place. 2. Checking the locking mechanism. Before takeoff, check if all propeller blade latches are securely locked in place. Note: verify that all 4 propeller blades have their latches properly engaged. 3. Removing the propeller blades. Hold the motor base firmly. Pull the latch upward. Rotate the latch counterclockwise. Rotate the propeller blade counterclockwise to remove it. Hold the motor base firmly. Pull the latch upward. Rotate the latch counterclockwise. Rotate the propeller blade clockwise to remove it.